Life can feel like it's working against you sometimes, right? But the truth is, you've got a power inside you that can flip the whole game. This video is inspired by Your Forces and How to Use Them by Orison Swett Marden. If you're ready to unlock that inner power and take control of your life, you're in the right place. Let's break it down together. 1. Belief is the foundation of success. According to Marden, success starts in the mind. If you don't believe in yourself, nothing else will work. Self-belief is the first step toward any goal. The moment you say, "I can do this," your reality begins to shift. Trust yourself, take action, and let the results follow. 2. Your thoughts build your reality. Whatever you constantly think about becomes your life. If your thoughts are negative, everything seems darker. But a positive mindset sees opportunities in every challenge. Your thoughts are not harmless. They shape your future. Train your mind to be a powerhouse, not a junkyard. 3. Your self-talk is everything. What you say to yourself becomes your reality. If you keep saying, "I can't," you've already lost. But when you say, "I'll try, I'll learn," you start growing. Your inner voice is either your biggest cheerleader or your biggest hater. Train that voice, make it work for you, not against you. 4. Imagination is the seed of reality. Your imagination is like a rehearsal room for your future. The more vividly you imagine, the more real it becomes. Marden says, if you want to see your future, create it in your mind first. Don't be afraid to dream big. Today's visions can become tomorrow's wins. 5. Decide and move. Most people wait for the perfect moment to start, but that moment never comes. The perfect time is the second you decide to go all in. Without action, dreams stay dreams. Marden calls indecision the enemy of success. So take the leap, you'll figure it out along the way. 6. Resistance builds power. Obstacles aren't here to stop you. They're here to shape you. Resistance creates growth, just like pressure builds muscle. Marden says, life won't reward you until it tests you. So when things get tough, don't run, push back. That's where your real power lives. 7. Success loves consistency. One burst of effort isn't enough. You need daily moves, even small ones. Marden sees success as a marathon, not a sprint. Read a bit more. Build something small. Add a brick every day. One day, you'll look up and see the empire you built piece by piece. 8. Force yourself to think big. Playing small won't push you, but thinking big will. It feels risky, but that's how you grow. Marden believes big dreams create big people. Ask yourself, could I go bigger? If the answer's yes, don't hold back. Big dreams come with big energy, use it. Feel the power inside you now. This book reminds us, the real force isn't out there, it's in you. You just have to learn how to tap into it. If you want to shift your life, start applying what you've learned here. Remember, those who change the game are the ones who believe in their own force. Stay powerful. See you in the next one.